In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Figma offline. Figma is built for the cloud, but with a little prep you can stay productive without an internet connection. The key is to load the exact work you need before you disconnect. While you are still online, open the specific design files you plan to edit. Opening them in advance caches the content locally, so the canvas, layers, and assets are ready to go later. Next, keep the Figma desktop app open. Offline access depends on that running session. If you close the desktop app while you are disconnected, you won't be able to relaunch it or reopen files until you are back online. So once your files are open and you know you'll be without internet, simply minimize the app or switch windows. But leave it running. When you are offline, you can continue real design work. You can add and edit shapes, frames, and layers. You can rearrange your hierarchy, tweak properties, and even add comments. Comments will queue locally and post automatically when you reconnect. So you can capture feedback and notes as you go. Some things are intentionally unavailable without a connection. You won't be able to create brand new files. Open the file browser, search components, or install new plugins. Plan around these limits by setting up what you need in advance and focusing on edits inside the files you already opened. This keeps your offline session smooth and avoids running into dead ends when you are away from the network. If you need to present a prototype offline, prepare it while you are online. Open the prototype. Go into the advanced settings and make sure Make Available Offline is checked. That ensures the prototype frames and interactions are cached, so you can present smoothly without a network. It's a simple checkbox that saves you from choppy demos and missing screens when you are on the go. As soon as you reconnect, Figma handles syncing for you. All the edits you made offline are uploaded automatically and merged into the cloud version. Give it a moment to finish, especially for larger files or long sessions. You'll see your comments publish and everything fall back in line with your shared workspace. Here is nothing extra you need to do, just let the sync complete before handing off work or inviting collaborators back in. That's the workflow. Thanks for watching.